In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings. When you're ready, scroll down to click on Apps. Now select App Cloner over here and click on any app you wish to clone, like Facebook. Finally, you can tap on Gray switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, click on blue switcher next to Create App Clone and choose Delete in the pop-up, or hold your cloned app and hit Uninstall. Then confirm your choice over here. If you wish to also, after creating your clone, you can adjust those two options. You can rename it however you want to and choose Save to save its new name, and also decide which app you will use to open as a default one. To do that, hit Default App to open and choose Original App, in this case Facebook, or App Clone, Facebook too, or click on Always Ask. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!